Introducing the light codes of Meitei gods and goddesses of the Meitei people of Manipur. Attiya Guru Sidaba. He is the creator of universe. He is also the god of sky, reality, bird, thunderstorm, rain, river flow, lightning, and heaven. He is the king of all gods and the foremost breeder of all the living souls. Chothe Thangwai Pakhangba, dragon serpent god and ruler of ancient Moirang, god of royalty, guidance, and protection. Imoinu, goddess of wealth, prosperity, heart, wisdom, family, state, house, vitality, and resources. Irai Laima, goddess of water, daughter of Soraren, the sky god who sent her down to earth to prosper the human civilization. Kamnung Kikoi Lawonbi, goddess who brings the souls of the dead to the underworld, consort of Thongalel, she is created and offered to Thongalel by Salailen as a substitute of goddess Thongak Leima. Kobru, god of wind and strength and guardian of northwest direction, rides on white elephant Samu Lesha Angopa, who guards the outskirts of Mount Kobru as per legends. Kaunu, consort of Kobru, mother of Loyalakpa and guardian of north, goddess of snows, hills, mountains. Lai Kurembi, goddess of justice, equality, law, order, verdict, judgment, and chief queen of the underworld kingdom, consort of Thongalel. Leinau Tabi, goddess of sorcery, magic, spells, beauty, witchcraft, consort of Thongalel and his younger brother Poiraiton. Lainingthau Sanamahi, supreme god, destroyer of universe, guardian deity of the mankind, and the king of the household. Leimaril Sidabi, mother earth goddess, consort of Salailan Sidaba and mother of Pakhangba. Lok Ningthau, guardian god of the south direction. Loya Lakpa, guardian god of the western direction, son of Lord Lainingthau Kobru and goddess Kaunu. Marzing, god of polo, war, horse, and sports, rides on Samadon Ayangba, a flying horse created by Lord Sanamahi. Ngareima, goddess of fish, dwells in underwater world, daughter of Salailan Sidaba, who sent her down to earth to prosper the human civilization. Nongpok Ningthau, deity of divine energy and supreme being, hunting, love, eroticism, and consort of goddess Panthoibi. Nongshaba, lion god and deity of protection, son of Salailan Sidaba. Nongthang Leima, goddess of seduction and charm, often associated with lightning and thunder. She is created from the dazzling eyes of Soraren to seduce Haraba not to create further chaos during the creation of the universe. Pakhangba, protector of universe, great dragon lord, son of Lord Salailen Sidaba and goddess Leimarel Sidabi. Panthoibi, goddess of war, love and wisdom and consort of Lord Lai Ningthau Nongpok Ningthau. Phawoibi, goddess of agriculture, bounty, crops, paddy, livestock, food and harvest, and a daughter of Salailen Sidaba who sent her down to the earth to prosper the human civilization. Pisatau, god of creation, skills, architecture and handicrafts. Thangjing, guardian of the southeast direction, progenitor of the Moirang clan. Thongak Leima, gatekeeper, goddess of the door of the dead, the entrance to the underworld, consort of Thongalel. Thongalel, god of death and the ruler of the Khamnung underworld kingdom. Thumleima, goddess of salt, who dwells in salt brines, daughter of Soraren. Wangbrain, god of underwater world, consort of goddess Anal Chanu Sanungleima. To activate these light codes for attunement, please do contact to Divine Roshni